Originally a part of a Spanish land grant, this exceptional ranch is now available for personal enjoyment or investment purposes. Encompassing 1,316 acres, the ranch features a mile of Highway 84 frontage and has primarily served as a private family ranch in recent years. Much of the groundwork is in place to subdivide the ranch into 8 smaller ranches ranging from 142 to 205 acres in size. Notably, approximately 2 miles of underground water and electric infrastructure extend to the boundaries of the individual parcels, ensuring efficient utility access throughout the ranch. The ranch showcases numerous stunning potential home sites, allowing each ranch owner ample choices to construct their dream residence. Offering seclusion, privacy, tranquility, and natural beauty, this property holds significant potential for the discerning owner with a visionary mindset and the necessary expertise to transform it into a remarkable development. Its proximity to the attractions of northern New Mexico only furthering to enhance its appeal. The 988 Ranch offers an array of impressive improvements, including a fully furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home encompassing 1,475 square feet of living space, accompanied by a 2-car carport. In addition, the ranch boasts 2 reliable water wells that serve all tracts by cattle handling facilities consisting of pens and a chute. Furthermore, the property features an extra 2-car open-sided metal shed and a substantial carport with an attached storage shed measuring approximately 20 feet by 50 feet in size. Located within Game Unit 43, the area is teeming with diverse wildlife, including deer, elk, turkey, bear, coyote, and mountain lion. For a private qualified showing, please call Greg Little at 970-946-0374.